So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just going to be doing a video based on the Urban Decay and Kristen and Leanne Kaleidoscope palette. I'm going to review this palette, do some swatches first before the actual tutorial of this look. Then I'll put a timestamp for the swatches, and if you don't want to see the swatches, I'll put a timestamp for the actual tutorial. This palette came out, I don't know, maybe like a few weeks ago. I know when it came out I really wanted to get my hands on it. Overall, the packaging I think is really cute, and it is cardboard, like it is paper. So this actual packaging I love. It's like pink purpley marble, and oh sorry, I'm just fixing my lash, and honestly it's like really cute. I also like the lettering, and inside there's a mirror. It's a pretty decent looking mirror. It says stay gold. Honestly, you can make so many looks with this. This palette makes me want to be creative. There are only two mattes in this palette. The first one I'm going to swatch is Spitfire, which is this pinky purple duochrome color. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like, I think it's so pretty. I will zoom in I'll zoom in the swatches at the end so you can see. But anyways, like this is very pigmented, very buttery. I love it so much. Stay Gold is going to be the next one. Let me just... And again, you can't see it very well, but it's like one swipe. It is so pigmented. I'm going to go with Tahine next. And I do have dry skin, so that's why it's not going to show up that great. But this is such a buttery matte, and it is really pigmented. It's just comes off really nasty on my dry skin because my skin is dry. This is a beautiful shade. I am going over it like a few times so it looks a lot better. The blues in this palette are my absolute favorite. I played with LCW yesterday, and it's like on my Instagram if you want to check that out. That's like the standard Urban Decay Naked palette shadows, but like dang, that's pigmented and beautiful. But yeah, that is gorgeous. And now I'm gonna take TRM. Goodness, okay. And again, very, very pigmented. Ooh. Okay. Okay, that is gorgeous. Whoa! Okay. So that's the shade Leo, and it is so amazing. Anyways, I'm gonna take Brixton. The shade looks nice, and you see that? You see that? Holy crap, that is pigmented. The shadow is a little crumbly. So actually they're all really crumbly because they're kind of not crumbly as in dry, but crumbly as in like soft. So they are soft, so they do crumble up, which is like kind of a negative because then that means you can go through the shadows pretty quickly. Lime Time. Love the name. And I see that there's Corona. No surprise, no surprise. But I'm going in with Lime Time. Ooh, that's a nice shade. Okay, and honestly, okay, Lime Time was feeling a little bit dry. It felt different than like Spitfire and LCW. I feel like TRM is a little dry too, but it honestly, it's like really good. And I'm gonna go in with 13th Floor. Now blacks are generally not that pigmented, and I know like it's soft, but on my dry arms it's gonna... I'm kidding. Holy crap, that's a nice black. Now I have two more. One is called Dye. It does look like Purple Rain. So Dye, and then Corona. I'm so excited for Corona, but that one is Dye and Corona, dang. But yeah, Dye is also a little bit on the dry side. Oh, and the brush that comes with it is also really nice. Like, this is the brush that comes in her palette. Now there is a dome, which I like. It blends out edges really nicely. And then look at this. Now that is what I call a brush. This is a good brush, and good job, Kristen. If like honestly, Oh, and this says stay gold too. It's so cute. But again, I'm just going to tell you all the shades. So this one's Spitfire, Stay Gold, Tahine. This one is LCW, TRM, Leo, Brixton, Lime Time, 13th Floor, Dye, and Corona. Oh, I did not tell you the price. This sells for $50 CAD. And honestly, in my opinion, it's fine that it's that expensive. I think it's totally worth it, honestly. Like you can work with every shade. It's soft, everything's so pigmented. It's like, honestly, I would recommend it, like 10 out of 10. Like everyone should get one. I might get like the one with a bunch of mattes and stuff, but I'm broke now because I bought this and then I bought these lashes. So now that all the swatches are done, I'm just going to show you how I got this look. Let me just zoom you in. But yeah, if you want to see how to get this pink and gold halo eye or just watch me do my makeup, then please keep watching. So I already did my base off of camera, and now I'm going to take my NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm going to take the pink and the purpley pink, and using the really big fluffy brush, I'm just going to be putting that in my crease. Now, going in with my Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne's Kaleidoscope palette, I'm going to take Spitfire, and using a synthetic flat brush, I'm just going to be putting that on the inner corners and the outer corners of my eye. Now I'm just going to take Spitfire on a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend out the harsh edges. I'm also going to be joining the outer and inner corner together down the middle. And now taking Stay Gold, I'm going to be using a brush that didn't pick up the pigment as well, so I switched to a synthetic brush, but I ended up using my finger. And I'm just going to be placing that in the center below the crease. And now I'm just going to be taking a little bit of Spitfire on that small packing brush, and I'm just going to be blending out the edges of the golden pink so it seems a little more blended. And taking a really big powder brush, I'm just going to be wiping off the powder that was under my eyes. Now I'm just going to be taking a pencil brush and Stay Gold, and I'm going to be placing that in the center of my bottom lash line. I'm also going to be taking a little bit of Spitfire and matching what's on the top, connecting the Spitfire on the top to the Spitfire on the bottom. Taking Huda Beauty lashes, Faux Ink lashes in Jade. I'm going to be placing them on my eyes. Really weird because I couldn't find my tweezers, but then I found them later. So here's me struggling for a little bit. Taking a shimmer strip eyeliner from Physicians Formula, I just lined my tight line and I put eyelashes on my other eye and repeated the eyeliner step. Now I'm just going to be taking ColourPop and Kathleen Light's Aquarius Ultra Satin Lip, and I'm going to be putting that on. So this is the final look, and I honestly hope you guys really enjoy. I know I do halo eyes so much, but I honestly, those are like my favorite kind of eye looks, and I really enjoyed how this one turned out. I hope you enjoyed my whole review video, and yeah. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!